Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of variables in JavaScript. First of all, what is mean by variable? In any programming language, the main purpose of variable is to store some information. In JavaScript, we are declaring the variable by using var keyword. So, var is the keyword which is used to declare the variable. And after declaration of the variable, by using equal sign, we assign the values to the variable. Like see, var space x is equal to 10. The meaning is here x is a variable. For that variable, we assigned a value 10. That means x stores the value 10. Now, before declaring and using the variable, you need to understand some rules of the declaring the variable or constants or some functions, whatever it is in JavaScript. Generally, identifiers. What are the rules to be followed? A name can consist of letters, that is A to Z, digits 0 to 9, underscore. These three are allowed in remaining programming languages. C, C++, Java, all the languages consist of letters, digits, underscore. In JavaScript, along with these three, it allows a dollar sign also. That is rule number one. Next rule, a name does not begin with a digit. A name doesn't starts with a digit. That means a name begin with a letter, or a name begin with a dollar, or a name begin with an underscore. In the sense, it does not begin with the digit. Now, some reserved keywords are there. Suppose if, while, for, the reserved keywords cannot be used as the names of the variable. And we already discussed var is the keyword for declaring a variable in JavaScript. And the names are case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Uppercase and lowercase both are different. Suppose a is equal to 5, capital A is equal to 10. This means this is one variable, this is another variable. Now, according to the rule, is this valid? Yes. Here, this is also valid. Why it starts with underscore? Now here 1a invalid. Why it starts with a digit? Percentage a. This is also invalid. Why? Other than letter, digits, underscore, dollar, it consists of a symbol percentage. Consists of symbol percentage. Clear? These are the rules to be followed for declaring a variable. Now I will show you one example. Go to any editor. Here I am using VS Code. Press enter. Now write down some script. You already know in JavaScript, every script code, that is JavaScript code, is written inside the script only. Suppose where A is equal to some 3, where B is equal to some 4. Now C is equal to A plus B. We already discussed, these semicolons are compulsory or not? Semicolons are optional, but it's a good practice to write semicolon at the end. Now, first without semicolon, I am printing the value document dot write off just to some message addition is plus C. Save, copy the path of the file, go to any web browser. See, the addition is 3 plus 4, the addition is 7 printed. Now, if I return semicolons, I already discussed, semicolons are optional. Now, refresh. There is no change. In what situation semicolons are compulsory? If you want to write more than one statement in a single line. In this situation, semicolon is compulsory. Observe, if I remove under the red line under mark, it shows an error. Clear? This is the basic example of semi variable. Next, white space. What is the meaning of white space? So for user understanding, here I written a variable like this. See, A is equal to some 3. Now, before 3, I given some white space. After A, I given some white space. Even though you are given white spaces, by default, the system ignores the white spaces. If you have any doubt, check. What is the addition? Addition is 7 only. Clear? Addition is 7 only. Now, one statement, many variables. What is the meaning? In my previous example, I have two variables are there. Each and every variable, suppose where A is equal to 3, where B is equal to 4, like this, each and every one, we are declaring one variable. Okay, instead of this, if you have multiple variables in a single line where A is equal to 3, comma, B is equal to 4, comma, some C is equal to 7, like this also we can declare. Okay, now see this one, A is equal to 3, comma, B is equal to 4. This is not at all required. Now, what is the addition? Anyway, addition is 7. Clear, everyone? So, this is how to create a basic variable. The creation of a basic variable. Now, the most important thing is, suppose if you redeclare the variable, what happened? What is mean by redeclaration? Suppose here, see, first to A is equal to 5. Next to the same name, I given the value 5.3. Next to same name, I given the value Razu. Now, this is redeclaring. What is the output? Whatever the last updated, the variable holds that value only. Now, I will show you where some A is equal to 6. A. Go to browser. Now, what is the value? Updated. Previously, I given a value 3. After that, I am redeclare the variable A. Now, in that, we will discuss one more important thing. So, that important thing, what is that one? Suppose here I create a variable. Here A stores 5, integer value. Here A stores 5.3, a float value. Here A stores Razu, a string value. But here you are not specified any data type. Remember, JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. What is mean by dynamically typed? No need to declare the type of data. That is, for example, where a so just to declare the variable, no need to give the type of a variable. Based on the value we assigned, automatically the variable becomes that data type. The variable becomes that data type. Now, in the first case, A becomes an integer. In the second one, A becomes a float. In the third one, A becomes a string. Clear? Dynamically typed. Along with integer, float to string, one more thing is also there. Value is equal to undefined. Undefined is the value. What is the meaning? Here we are declaring the variable, but we are not assigning any value. What the meaning? Suppose here observe, just I declare the variable and I am printing the value without assigning anything. That is called undefined. Means we are not defining the variable. We are not defining the variable. I think till now clear. What we discussed up to now, just to creation of a variable and perform some operation, and we are writing multiple number of variables in a single line and value undefined. Now we are moving into the next important thing. Till now we are declaring the variable that starts with letter. Now it is also possible to starts with underscore and dollar sign also. Okay, underscore or dollar sign also. Now I will show you practically. See where dollar is equal to 3. Remember, single dollar is also sufficient. Followed by dollar, nothing is required. Suppose where single underscore is equal to some 4. Now here what I am doing? Dollar plus underscore. You got my point? In this example, dollar is considered as one variable. Underscore is considered as one variable. I am doing addition between the two variables. Refresh the answer 7. You got the answer? Remember, only $1 is allowed. Suppose, sir, I want to declare another dollar where dollar is equal to 4. In this situation, what happened? This is called simply redeclaration. Now, what is the value of dollar? Dollar value is updated to 4 only. So 4 plus 4, 8. Clear? If you want, you can write like this. Suppose $1, $2. You can write any number. Got the point? You can use dollar and underscore also for declaring the variable. For example, $1, where some C or where some underscore A is equal to some 8. Now what I am doing, dollar plus underscore plus $1 plus underscore A. Here, these are four variables. So perform addition between the four variables. Clear? Like this, we can declare multiple variables with the different types of names. So see in this example, this is one variable, this is another, we are doing addition. This is one variable, this is another, we are doing addition. Now clear? This is the basic concept of variable. In the next session, we will move to another point, that is let and constant. Let and constant. These two are available from version ES6. What is the difference between declaring a variable by using the keyword var or by using the keyword let and constant? We will discuss in the next session. Thank you.